Today.
What is today?
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Why are you doing this right now? What are you doing? Tell me what you're doing.
Nope.
Tell me what you're doing.
Nope.
What are you throwing on the ground there?
Preen.
What's preen do?
Still weeds. Remember weeds from growing.
And what's today again?
February 29th. No weeds are going to grow.
No weeds are going to grow.
Nope, not this spring.
What about all those weeds right there?
Those are from the fall.
Those are from the fall. Those won't kill those? Okay. Show me your face. Why are you being such a dick?
Because I know what you're up to.
You know this is going to turn to rain, right?